WhatsApp is a free messaging application that uses the internet to send you messages, make calls, and share files. You can use it on phones, tablets, and even computers. It is one of the most popular apps for talking to people. So, what you can do on WhatsApp is you can go ahead and send text messages. You can make voice or video calls as well. For that, you can tap on the voice call option in the top right corner of your screen or the video call option if you want to do so. And you can even share photos or videos that you want to. And you can also create group chats. You can post status updates like Instagram stories and use it on your computer, which is WhatsApp Web. It uses your phone number. You don't need a username or a password. Your contacts who already use WhatsApp will automatically show up and it sends messages over the internet. This is usually cheaper and faster than regular texting, especially for international communication, and it keeps your messages private. WhatsApp uses end-to-end encryption, so only you and the person you're talking to can read or hear your messages. Not even WhatsApp can see them. It has chats, calls, and status updates. So this is how you can go ahead and download WhatsApp. If you're using Android, open your Play Store, and if you're using iPhone, open your App Store. Search for WhatsApp or WhatsApp Business application. Go ahead and tap on install in order to download it on your device. If you already have it downloaded, make sure that it's updated. You can search for WhatsApp, and if you see an update button like this instead of open, go ahead and tap on update in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. So WhatsApp is free and easy to use, and it works everywhere. It's safe and private, and it's great for talking to friends, family, and co-workers. So WhatsApp is a modern way to text and call people. It uses the internet to make communication fast, easy, and secure. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.